So if you have joined us, we're just starting Microsoft Word, and Word is a program that you can use to edit, type documents, reports, and later on print them. Most of the computer users, in fact 89% of all computer users, derived their skills from learning Microsoft Word. So this program is very important for the purposes of your coursework. So first I'll start by teaching you on how to open the program. What you will do, you'll just type at the search box, you just type Word, just type the word Word. Remember, it's not WordPad, it is Microsoft Word. So you'll see Word, the Word up there. You click on it. Some people will also type WinWord. Another way, you can type on the search box, you type WinWord as one word. It will still display for you the same program. After opening, you wait for it to open. So when you open, it will show you the dashboard. On this dashboard, this is where you can select. As you can see, we have recent documents being displayed. These are some of the documents that were previously created by this program. So what you are going to do, you want to create a blank document. You want to start from scratch. So we are going just to click on blank document, so that a blank page is displayed to us. Now, it is important that we identify parts of a Microsoft Word window. In Windows, we looked at some of these parts, so we are going to name these parts again in this program. The uppermost bluish part on your screen, that is the title bar. On your right, top right, we have control buttons. The control buttons are used for closing, that is used to close. This is used to maximize or restore. You can maximize the window to fill the entire screen. You can restore it back to its original size. You can minimize. In case you want to do other things, you can minimize. When you minimize, remember it is still on the taskbar, you just click to open it. Now, we have our menu, the menu. So from File, Home, that is a menu. You can be asked how many tabs are found on the menu. You can just count from Home up to Foxit Reader. Those are the menu tabs. Now, we have another toolbar just above the menu. It's called the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar, just from the name, it allows users to quickly access commands. So for example, I've entered my text in the document using the keyboard. I've just typed Unity. I can undo. Remember, to undo is to remove the previous action. When you undo, you can redo. So we have the Quick Access Toolbar that gives you shortcuts for your commands. You want to save. This is the shortcut for saving your work. You can customize this Quick Access Toolbar to have your own settings. You can click on that arrow that is facing below, click on it, then you activate. You want to start a shortcut for starting a new document, it will be added. You want to shortcut for opening, it will be added there. So you can customize by adding or removing these commands. If the command you're looking for is not here, you can go to more commands, click on more commands, then it will show you various commands. So for example, you want to add the shortcut for center alignment, you click on add. Shortcut for draw table, you click on add. Shortcut for shapes, you just scroll down, find shapes. Shapes, you will just find the shapes there. So when you are done, you click on OK. So you will find that your Quick Access Toolbar, you've customized it. So for example, I want to draw a circle. I'll easily go to the Quick Access Toolbar, click on Shapes, select the appropriate shape that I want to draw. If it is a circle, I'll just draw like that. I'm able to do that because I've customized my quick access toolbar. I'll undo. I've customized my quick access toolbar to have those shortcuts that I need. Now another important part of a Microsoft Word window is the file button. When you click on file, you can save your work. Remember, file, save as. You can save, remember to save it on your desktop inside your own folder. So click desktop, it will display your desktop. Remember, we talked about saving in our own folders. Scroll down to search for your own folder. In this case, we are looking for Mike's folder. So scroll up. So this is assuming we are Mike. Click on open. Then the title of the document, you click save. So that's how you save a Microsoft Word document. To open previous documents, you just click open. Click on open. Then you'll see the recent files or recent documents. You click on one of them and then it will be open. To go back to your page, you have the back button. Then it will take you back to the. Now under the menu, we say this is the menu from home up to help. That is the menu of this program. When you click on home, a ribbon is displayed. This part is the part referred to as the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into groups, command groups. So this is a clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing. When I click on insert, the insert tab also has its own ribbon. This ribbon is also divided into its own groups, pages, tables, illustrations. So each menu tab here displays a long ribbon which is divided into groups. So I want you to understand also how to work with the ribbons. You can customize your ribbon. For example, you don't want the insert tab to appear, you will just right click, customize the ribbon, then you hide insert tab. Insert tab on the menu won't be displayed. Click. Click OK. So you'll find that now on our menu we don't have the insert tab. To show it, right click, customize the ribbon. Now you can activate this. You click on OK. So now you have your full menu there. So we've said this is the menu tab, the references. Under it we have a ribbon that is divided into groups. We have our ruler. The ruler is also important because our ruler shows us the margins. When you print your work, this will be the left margin. This will be the top margin. You can see the margin on your left side. That is the top. This is the left margin. We have also bottom margin and the right margin. We have our scroll bar. This is the text area where we are able to type text. This is the text area. Remember, when I start typing, I am not able to type beyond this left margin because it is set. So I'll just type a small paragraph here and use it for the lesson. So I have my paragraph there. So you find that my left margin is there, my top margin. That's why you see when you print a document, those margins are always there. So I've said this is a scroll bar. You can scroll up or down the page. Now we have our status bar. The status bar is also an important part of a Microsoft Word window because on the status bar we can tell the number of pages in your work. So I'll add more pages to my work. So when you look at the status bar, it will show me. So let's wait. It is counting the number of pages. So my pages, I have 9 pages in my document. I have 4,976 words, and that there are no spelling mistakes, no proofing errors. If there was a spelling mistake in my document, you will see that icon on the status bar showing an X. But because if I correct this, if I want to correct that error, I'll just click on that icon, the spelling error icon. Then it will show me where the error is on this side of the screen. Then I'll just pick on the suggestion, I'll click on it. So in Word, you have this feature that allows you to search for spelling mistakes. So I want you to understand how to use Microsoft Word, how to use the status bar. You also have the zoom. You can zoom in and out to display a bigger page or a smaller page. So you can zoom in and out of your document using the zoom level. So this icon is called the zoom level icon. Now we also have view buttons. You can decide to view your document as a reading mode. This is the reading mode. So you find that when you're scrolling, it's from left to right. Now we have another view. This is the, let's see this view. This is the print layout view. When you print this work, this is how it appears on a sheet of paper. Then we have the web layout view. It displays the page just as you will see it on a web browser or on the internet. So I want you to understand that this. So mostly we use the print layout view. You just click on print layout view, the center view. So understand how to use these view buttons in Microsoft Word. So I've said when you finish, you have to save your work. You just click on the shortcut save. Now there's a difference between save and save as. Save, when you just click save, you are saving changes added to the document. For example, if I underline this document, remember it is already saved. I had already saved it before. So if I change it to red and I want it to have those settings, when I open it next time, I want it to have these red settings, I'll just click on save. But if it is a new document, if you have a new document and you've created your own new document, to start a new document, you've seen, you go to file, new, then blank again, click. So if it's a new document, you will not just click save, you have to save as. Save as will provide you the means to direct into the folder that you are trying to save inside. So make sure you understand the difference between save and save as. Now in Microsoft Word, we also have templates. Instead of starting your document from scratch, it's a new blank document, you can search for a template. For example, you want to write your CV, you want to write a report. What you will do, you'll just search for CV, click on search. It will show you various templates. So Word has simplified things. So here you can see a list of CVs that you can pick. So your work is just to select the template that you want to use. You click on create. So when Word finishes to load this, you find your work will just be to enter details. Enter details into the document. You enter your address, you just type your phone number, your address, just click there and you can start typing. So you find that Microsoft Word is simple and it has simplified my work. So you can fill, or if there are details that you don't need, you can just do away with them. Just select the detail, you press delete key on the keyboard to remove the parts that you don't. So you just continue, type your career profile, type your job, company, your skills and activities. You just fill this section. You delete first, then you start typing the activities. So I want you to be able to use Microsoft Word from scratch or from the template that you've been given. And make sure before you close your work, don't just close. You have to save your work into your own folder. That is enough for those starting Microsoft Word. Hope you enjoyed your lesson. Thank you.